So this is the pound dollar analysis for Tuesday, 21st of November. Now let's just have a look what happened with prices on the 20th of November. So we'll just grab our pen here. So we were mentioning in the analysis for the 20th that the pound does appear bullish, the pound dollar does appear bullish because we've had a series of higher lows. So as you can see on this chart, I'm just going to mark them out. So we've got a higher low there, and a series of higher lows. We were looking to see how prices behaved in around that 32.20. The reason we're looking to see how prices behaved around 32.20 was we saw this rejection pretty close to that level. We had some strong sell side momentum coming into that market. Also in the past as well, we had a bit of a gap. We did see some selling momentum coming in around that level as well. So we were looking to see how prices behaved around there. We were possibly targeting around 31.80 for more upside momentum to come into the market. Now, we did see the upside momentum come into the market before we got all the way down to 31.80. So we've had 31.80 down there. We didn't revisit there. Instead, we found support at 31.93. Just there, I think 31.93 was already marked out on the charts from last week at some point, but we did come down to 31.93. Didn't revisit 31.80 before we saw some bullish buy side momentum go into the market, clearing these highs here. So we came all the way up to this 32.81. I think we came within about a pip or so. I'm just gonna have a check just to see how close we came to 32.81. We came up to 32.79, so within 2 pips. So for me, that's actual test of the level. So we did come up to this 32.81, and we did see a bit of a sell-off from 32.81, which is 32.81 being a major level. And we did have a brief recovery, but we posted a lower high, and we did have a sell-off again. So we've come down into the 20-period moving average, which is a dynamic level of support. It's a pretty quick moving average. Sometimes it doesn't provide good support, but we have come down into it, and we do seem to have found some buy-side momentum coupled with the 50-period moving averages here. So if we do get a continuation of the bullish buy-side momentum in light of the trend being to the upside, we are expecting prices to go up to 32.81. We'll see if we do get some more sell-side momentum. If we do get another strong rejection from there, I could anticipate us moving beyond this 32.20 and possibly moving all the way down to next level after the 32.20 is possibly 31.80, below which we've got a 200 moving average here in blue. Just going to keep this chart tidy. So we've got a 200 period moving average here in blue, 400 period moving average here in black, around at 31.60. Will likely be higher than that by the time prices do get down, depending on how fast prices move down there. We'll see if we do hold that level, after which we'll be looking at for 31.47, this dynamic level. Now, depending on the volatility of the market, we may even revisit 30.93, but I would imagine if we have normal volatility, I can't anticipate prices moving much beyond 31.47. But we'd have to keep 30.93 in mind. Now, if we do get a continuation of our bullish buy side momentum and we do clear 32.81, we have to look for potential targets beyond that. So potential targets beyond 32.81, if we do successfully navigate 32.81, would be let's just grab the pen. We'll be looking at 33.04, which is a weekly pivot, and beyond that, we'll be looking at 33.50. 33.50 again is a major level, as it's marked out here in red, and be just slightly above that, we've got another weekly pivot in around at 33.68. But we'll say 33.50 will be the far end of the range to the upside. We would possibly expect some sell side movement to come into the market in around 33.50. So we'll just briefly have a look at the daily chart before we wrap up here on the pound dollar. So we're just going to go over to the daily chart just to see the type of day we've posted in the grand scheme of things. So as we can see here on this daily chart, even though we are operating within a bit of a trading range, more recently there has been a consistent buy side momentum coming to the market. Prices are trending upwards towards the top of the channel where we've had rejections in the past, so we do look poised to for another retest of the top of the channel. This trend does appear slightly weak, even though it is to the upside, as we have candles with wicks to either end. They're not closing near not closing near their highs on a consistent basis, not sizable candles as well, possibly suggesting that there is a degree of caution by bulls, or there are bears in the market selling at when they do see the opportunities too. So yeah, that should wrap up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.